Good morning, madlang peeps! So farm. Na-mixture na siya. Kaya tapos Vanessa. Tama no Hercules na salati.
Ay, tämä.
Yeah.
Joo.
This one is a really nice salad.
Erilaisia täällä. This is old.
Yeah. No. See. They're getting older and older and older. Aha! Pero naunlop po.
Peruna on vielä.
Okay.
Peruna on vielä. Tuo yksi rivi.
Okay.
Do you want peruna?
Oh.
You can take some kurpitsa.
Ay, kurpitsa.
Find some. There's one bigger one.
Yes. Okay. Wow. Day, saan ka day? Oh, it's very fat kurpitsa.
Mango, you can use the leaves in salad.
Where?
It is very
Ah, yes, yes.
mango.
The mangoli.
And there's some
Mm.
punajuurta.
We can take out that one. Yes.
Sama.
Punajuri?
Yeah, but pelto myyrät, they like it, so many are
Yeah.
not good.
Okay, the one
But,
that you
can,
take out something.
yeah.
But I think it's not fat now. The punan yuri.
But they are quite
Small.
also.
Yes.
Yeah. They have not,
I think it's
Green
quite
flowing.
small. Oh, you
This
see?
this is
Ah, that's the problem.
yes, it's problem. I think it's no use to take them.
Yeah.
But maybe you can take the leaves or then maybe at least.
The leaves can be. I have here.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can take them.
Some good, okay. Maybe the mouse eat that one. Don't you think the mouse is eating this one?
I don't know.
Sand. The flower.
Yeah, that one is very nice. We can eat that one. Yes, I eat sunflower seeds. Oh, some punanyuri is not good. Just only this. And the hernikit, Kato.
Yes, Erne.
Before is you have like a good hernicator, right?
Yeah, you can yes, there are some, but they are quite old. So
Mm.
now, but maybe they are equal.
Mm. What happened to punanyuri? It's not good. Growing not good this time.
I don't know. Yes, quite big, but
Eh.
it has been eaten. So
Maybe
I
can.
think we must take this away.
Uh-huh.
Away. What is this? This is.
I think the weather.
Yes, they like so much. Nice.
Yeah, because I like it when making some juice.
Yes. Very big. Very small.
Yeah. Very small this time. Dun sa parsley. Okay. He's taking some parsley. Parsley.
Persilja.
Yeah, persilya.
Persilja.
Persilya. Like this. Kurpitsa. You see, guys? What? They like to put in the noodles.
Do you like this kind of herne? This kind herne. This is
What is that one?
bee. This kind of have you used this kind of piece?
What is that one?
You just
Open?
you open it
The green peas?
It's not green pea. Green peas are there, but not so many. But you must
Open.
open this
And then
and take.
some of the seeds.
Yes, there are these, and you just put in soup. But you can take these if you want. But and then you must cook in soup.
Okay,
in soup.
maybe not.
Yeah.
This.
Yes. But it is very protein rich.
Yes, because it's a beans. Oh, the other one is not good. Yeah. Oh, where is porcana? Ah, that one. Yeah. But it's nice now because it's not the multa is not hard.
Yes, but it is difficult to get them, so I will take some
Apo balinate.
tools to take them.
Yeah.
You can take.
This.
Yes.
Core pizza. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, it's very nice.
Yes. They are small and then.
Yeah, we can eat the small directly, right?
Yes, you can eat. Yes.
I want to eat the small. Reka, natumba man. Okay guys, let's continue. Let's pick up some core pizza. Dai lami ba ni kaunon dai? Guys, we can eat it. Wala dito makuha dai.
Wala itong kuha. Makaon na siya. Maybe no.
Daghan? Core pizza yan, hindi yan kalabasa. Core pizza. Zucchini. Junichi. How you know? Still have. Ah! Okay, see.
How many do
Yeah.
you want?
Maybe this one is enough.
Up. Let's see. Do you have a back?
Margarita. Still have. Can wash. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, maybe Rita.
Yeah, but I must take
Ah, you
all-
must
all
take four.
from this.
Okay. Aha.
Oh, let's say half,
Yeah.
but you can use them. Here's
That's
one
the-
one other.
Uh-huh.
Let's take this.
Okay.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's all.
Yeah, that's all. I think no more.
Yeah. Let's see.
Because this one is taller.
Yeah.
Here. Big one.
Yeah. Very big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, very big.
Yes.
Oh, very big this one.
Yeah.
Kali.
Yes. You like it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very good. You can take how much you want.
Yeah, that one is for salad, right?
It is lehtikali. Okay, maybe it's
Yeah.
there.
Maybe
Yeah.
with.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I will put this.
Yeah. Ah, so you will put
Yes,
something so that they will
yes.
know that that one is no space.
Yeah.
Okay. I put the Pirjo. Yeah. I like carrots. Here we are. Let's pick the carrots. Ah, the carrots was there. Okay.